My ex sold my dog. My ex sold my dog. I came home, and his bed was gone. She said she'd found him a better home. I didn't believe her. Then I found the listing online. There was my dog, with photos from our backyard. I called the number immediately. The buyer had already picked him up. I explained everything. He asked for proof. I sent years of photos, vet records, his adoption papers. An hour later, the buyer handed him back to me. He even testified against my ex. She ended up paying me in court, but seeing my dog run back into my arms, that was worth far more than the money.